Hey, the way we're gonna do this is just try and error. So I'm gonna take one of the, so I'm gonna put here all the cylinders that are not yet ready. So I pretty much made my own assembly the way this is looking, and I'm gonna start with the stop plate. So I'm gonna add the stop plate. So, and I'm going to add the stop plate this side here. With this point we'll go to the spring. So the first one is done, and this is the stop plate is simple. And I'm going to start with the number ones. So, oops. So I'll start with the number one. Let's see. Then I try with the key. If the plate goes flush, it's okay. So this plate is okay. So the first so we just had the first key, it's a 1. So go on the second one, try again with number 1 first. So then we try the key again, and it's flush. So the second one, see, it's a 1. Okay, the next point is just trying to assemble the cylinders in the slots. So I already did this one. It's assembled and it's working. So at the moment it's unlocked, but with the whole new key. So locked, tick the key. It's not opening. Unlock, and it's opening. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this one as ready, and to do the other one, so if I can show you here, but there's some kind of group. It's not groups, it's just sliding passes over there, and this is where you're gonna slide your back stop plate. So we need to insert the key to put the plates inside, and we still have the back plate or the stop plate there. So in the way we're gonna do it, just let me see if I can show you this. So the stop plate has to rest in those slides, and then with the key you just push the stop plate in order for the key the cylinder to slide. This is in sliding, you adjust it, and it's already in place. Yeah. So I'm gonna test it, lock, unlock, lock it, another one done.